In today's video, I'm going to teach you how iCloud Drive works and how you can manage its storage effectively. Whether you're a new Apple user or someone who's been using Apple products for a while, this video will help you understand the ins and outs of iCloud Drive and how it can enhance your day-to-day digital life. Let's start by understanding exactly what iCloud Drive is. At its core, iCloud Drive is Apple's cloud-based storage solution. Similar to Google Drive or Dropbox, it allows you to store your files and folders safely in the cloud. One of the major benefits of iCloud Drive is that it's integrated into your iCloud storage. This means your documents, files, and folders seamlessly sync across all your Apple devices, allowing you to access your digital data from anywhere, anytime. Now let's move on to how you can get started with iCloud Drive. First and foremost, you need to turn on this feature on your device. To do this, navigate to your device settings. Tap your name at the top of the settings menu and select iCloud. Within the options available, find and tap on iCloud Drive. Make sure that the toggle next to iCloud Drive is turned on. Once it's activated, iCloud Drive will start syncing your files, making them accessible across all linked devices. Managing your iCloud Drive storage is an important aspect of using this service efficiently. Head back into the settings, tap on your name, then iCloud, and select Manage Account Storage. Here you'll find a list of apps and files that are utilizing space. By tapping on an app or file, you can see more details and choose to delete any unwanted content. Managing this storage will help you optimize space and ensure that you have room for what truly matters. Another handy tip for those using an iPhone is freeing up local space. Open the Files app and navigate to iCloud Drive. You might find that some files are taking up unnecessary space on your device. For larger files or folders, simply long press on them. This action will give you several options. Choose Remove Download. This keeps the file safe in iCloud but removes it from taking up space on your iPhone. It's a great way to ensure your device runs smoothly without sacrificing access to important data. With iCloud Drive, managing your files across multiple Apple devices becomes hassle-free, and now with these steps you can maximize its utility. Remember, keeping your storage organized and efficient not only saves time but enhances your overall digital experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of iCloud Drive.